Okay, so really quick about the desk. So if you can see right here, this desk doesn't look dirty. Bare eye, if you get closer, when you get closer, look at this. You can't really tell it's dirty. You can't really tell. Even if you pass a dry towel, you can't really tell. But once you get a damp towel, it's really important to have for initial cleaning. From our inspections to this office, we can tell the previous cleaning didn't do a good job. Therefore, we need to do a more thorough clean today. Like for example, you can see that the desks right here were neglected. You're gonna have to pass like a brush really quick to remove that dust collected here. Get closer. See right here in this area, there's like little dust collected, and inside the chair right here, get right here, closer here. See, there's a lot of dust right here. Little things like that were neglected, you know. That said, I'm gonna show you right now how the basic is only covering you spray and you cover this anything around. You know, you try to move a little bit of stuff and you cover everything around whatever is already in place. But when you're doing a standard, you do want to clean under stuff. So I'm going to start with the damp towel. The damp towel, I'm going to start moving things a little bit to the side. Like this. You can see how I'm already moving the dust. It's not going to be completely collected with the first pass. I try to always pick like a little base or something where I can put things over. And then it'll be easier for me to move them around. You always want to clean behind computers. Look at all this dust right there. It's a really, really damp towel. Like it's almost wet. The screen, you only want to deal with the dry towel. Don't want to put too much liquid on that. So I'm going to put this right here. I want this over here. When there's a lot of knickknacks like this, I try to kind of like either find a flat surface, like this for example, that will help me move them around. So I can just kind of like tidy things up and clean up for them. I assume that it's okay for them to put things back the way they like them. I try to not move too many things so it doesn't get them confused of where I left my stuff, but I just kind of like put them in little groups so I can clean. I lift something down underneath. Grab the other side and it's not that dirty. This to the ground so then we can vacuum it. Make everything in order. Now, we're cutting the cabinets. I've also been neglected. These cabinets. Oh, we're done. If you see little things like this, it was kind of like, I'm gonna touch up this too. I'm gonna show you really quick. If this was to be a basic, I think I would just spray right here. And I will probably just move something like simple like this. Maybe move this paper a little bit to the side and just pretty much go around all these items. Maybe move this a little bit. There's nothing under. Boom, and that's the basic. And you move on to the next desk. You see the difference how much faster the basic is versus the standard?